Alright, so today we're going to be checking out one of the sickest windmill variations out there, also known as the double windmill. Coming right up. What's up guys, this is your man Coach Sambo, and you know what time it is. It's time to get working on those double windmills, because you know you want them.
You want them so bad.
So before we get started right here, I want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. You might be new, you might not be new. Anyway, the tradition around here is to give me 5 push-ups whenever I ask. So yeah.
Give me 5 motherfucking push-ups.
So on my YouTube channel, you can find tons of breaking tutorials and a few comedy videos, usually breaking related. So if you are a b-boy or a b-girl, then don't hesitate to subscribe by smashing that little red button that you can find right there. And it's been scientifically proven that subscribing to my channel speeds up your breaking process by 30%. And also you manage to live up to 15% longer. So do your future self a favor and subscribe today. So the double windmill is one hell of a move. And back in the day, like forever ago, I used to really own this move, but then on some tragic day I just fell on my face during a battle, putting an end to my double windmill adventures, aka making me paranoid ever since. That's why today we have my students, aka the Battle Droids crew, that will be showing you the steps needed to unlock this double windmill. But falling on your face is just full of advantages. And one of these advantages is me passing the message on to you to make sure you practice your double windmill in a safe environment. And that kind of makes sense, right? Alright, so double windmill, here we go. So before you want to learn the double windmill, just make sure you have a good, decent, basic windmill. And now that I'm talking about this, it might be smart of you to make sure you master just like a few windmill variations, right? Like munch mill or maybe a little bit of barrel mills and these kind of things. I have an amazing video on advanced windmills that you might want to check out, and I'll just put the link in the description down below. So to start off with this double windmill, we need to start with the windmill to suicide. And to perform a clean windmill suicide, you need to bring your legs in while on your back. To create that pump, we need to bounce off the floor and give us that lift so we can perform the windmill suicide. And this will later evolve into the double windmill. Now I use this leg pump in a lot of different moves and a lot of different combos. So this pump technique can come in handy for a lot of different things. But for the suicide windmill, you want to kick those legs back out, creating that pump and giving you that lift, and then spin a full rotation and land flat on your back. Now I think most of you guys are already able to do a windmill suicide, but this is just a great warm-up to get into that double windmill feel and to help you out understand that technique. And once you're really comfortable in a windmill suicide, you want to start to maximize the pump and the airtime you get out of this windmill suicide. And once you can start to play around with this, now it's actually time to enter
the danger zone.
Now guys, after all these years of teaching, I kind of developed my own methods and my own
hacks
on how to teach these moves to my students. These methods and technique are 100% unique, and it would be greatly appreciated if you recognize this and show your appreciation for this by recommending my videos to any of your friends, crew members, or students, or maybe just randomly sharing one of my videos.
Thanks in advance.
Now from this windmill suicide, we're going to create that extra pump, bringing the arms and the legs in, creating more rotation, and trying to aim towards a 1.5 windmill. At this point, it starts to get really dangerous, and the possibility of you falling on your neck, or on your face, or on your chin is absolutely a reality. So that's why I found that protecting your face by keeping your arms in front of you is one of the smartest ways to actually unlock this double windmill. So what you want to do at this point is create a 1.5 windmill. Land/crash on your elbows, protecting your face, your chin, and your neck. And then from this landing position, you actually just want to roll half a rotation onto your back, actually just simulating that last part of the double windmill. Once repeating this a few times during your training session, you should start to trust and adapt to the feel of the double windmill. This technique is also shared in my 1.5 airflare tutorial and really minimizes the chance of you just getting injured. Now after repeating this a few times, I've seen some students unlock double windmills in like 4 or 5 tries. Now this doesn't work for everyone guys. It depends on where you're practicing it. It depends on how good your windmills are, and it also kind of depends on how big your balls are. So at this point, if things are working well for you, you should be unlocking your double windmills. So then we can start looking at a few details. Detail number 1 is some people cross their feet like a munch mill when executing their double windmill. It helps them spin faster, and it also makes the move look nice and clean. So you might want to take that into consideration. Next up is while landing your double windmill, you want to bring your legs back into the pump position. This is not just helping you keep the legs off the floor so your double windmill is clean, but it's also helping you catch all of that weight and soften the blow as you land, making it look nice and smooth. Also adding right here that landing your double windmill nice and clean gives you access to combine it to the following move or maybe another double windmill, because you never know what crazy motherfucker might be watching this video. All of these things are possible. Also unlocking your double windmill can just help you take things to the next level, because these days you see people doing triple windmills or even 1.5 windmill to jackhammer or some other power move. These are all variations that might be suitable for you once you unlock your double windmill. Or even better, you might find something completely new and and take this b-boy game to the next level, because that is what this breaking game is all about. So if you like this tutorial right here by your man coach Sambo, then don't forget I have tons more. Also, I do private coaching sessions and group sessions, and I also got a bunch of master classes that you can all find on my website. Go ahead and take a look. Everybody's welcome. So smash that like button and leave a random comment right here just to support your man right here, boost his channel up to #1. This is your man coach Sambo, your online b-boy coach. Good luck with those double windmills, because at the end of the day, my good friends, when you think about it, it's just all about that b-boy shit.